To tie off cost of living, it is clear majority of Kenyans believe and feel the country is going in the wrong direction because the cost of living is higher this year than it was last year. And they're asking the regime, stop lamentation, stop blame game, and deliver on your promises. On the subsidized fertilizer, you need to remember it is not a new idea. It has been there in previous administrations, and this administration perhaps should say what they are doing differently. Kenyans are also saying the regime is not listening, not even to themselves. Study after study by the central bank is showing, for example, the financial access study is showing welfare measures are worsening. When you ask Kenyans, those who go to bed in their families without a meal, that number has increased to about 37% of households in Kenya saying now, at least once a week, they go to bed without a meal. If you look at the MSME tracker survey that was just released again by the central bank, who is, of course, after all, the government's own banker, showing clearly that the micro and small enterprises, 60% of them are defaulting. So I agree with the majority of Kenyans that the regime needs to begin to listen